Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make spiced penne pasta. For our spiced penne pasta, you're going to need penne pasta, which has been boiled and ready, tomato sauce, then our white sauce, which is on our description board, then onions, garlic, pepper, fresh basil, mushroom, and then of course this is Parmesan cheese. All the measurements are there at the description board below. Okay, we're gonna start making our penne pasta. You can use butter. I prefer using olive oil. It blends very well and very healthy. To this I'm gonna add my onion. Saute the onion really well. Okay, this sweated the onion for maybe a minute. To this I'm going to add my chopped garlic and my mushrooms. Now that's optional. If you want to add something else, you can add any other vegetable. Just brown it a little bit. To this I'm going to add some pepper and a tomato sauce. You can put fresh tomato, but I prefer putting tomato sauce. Now brown this tomato sauce really good. Okay, now I'm going to add some white sauce to this. This is our homemade white sauce. And you can get this recipe on the iCard on our channel, the YouTube channel. And let's mix this white sauce really well. Let it cook, blend. And if, my white sauce already has some salt in it, so check the salt. If you want to add some more salt, it's good. Let it cook a little bit, and to this I'm going to add my pasta now. Okay, I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add now my boiled pasta. Put it low and just mix it nice. And to this, I'm going to add my fresh basil. Okay, to this I'm going to add some nice Parmesan cheese, and then we are ready to. Here you are. That's optional if you want to add Parmesan or not. Okay, we're going to serve our fantastic pasta. Not very saucy, not very dry. It's just nice accompaniment for our chicken, which we have made today. Here we are. Garnish this with some nice fresh basil and of course some fantastic fresh Parmesan cheese. There you are, voila. Here's our recipe for our spiced penne pasta. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!